Alright, so now we're on to solving trig equations with factoring. So when you're looking at this first equation, I've got to make sure that it's set equal to 0, which it is. So then I can start thinking about factoring methods. Since this is a binomial, the only options we have are GCF or DOPS, difference of perfect squares. So I notice that cosine squared is perfect square, and so is 1, so I can do DOPS. So I've got cosine x minus 1, cosine x plus 1 equals 0. And then I've got my two equations. Cosine x minus 1 equals 0, and cosine x plus 1 equals 0. So you just set each factor equal to 0 and solve them. And we end up with cosine x equals 1, cosine x equals negative 1. Both of these turn out to be quadrantal angles. Okay, I can tell because I know that this ratio for cosine doesn't exist within a triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and my preferred method, I've already gone over the method in an earlier video. You can do the one with the points, but for cosine, I just prefer to do this. So start at 1, work your way down and back up. And then I'm just going to draw in my tick marks. And where is cosine equal to 1? Well, it's equal to it at 0 degrees or radians. So that's going to be one of my solutions. X equals 0. And then also we want to find where cosine of x equals negative 1. Well, that's here at pi. So one of my other answers is pi. I'm not going to count 2 pi because that's the start of another rotation. Notice up here it says on the interval 0 to 2 pi with a parenthesis here. That parenthesis means not including 2 pi. So this is it. That's our final answer.